Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera not focusing in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, for stop, open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search camera, click on camera. Here you will see force stop, and if you want to force stop, then click on force stop. After click on force stop, camera force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, enable autofocus. Open camera, click on four dots more option, click on settings. Here you will see tracking autofocus. And if you want to turn on autofocus, then turning on this button. After turning on this button, autofocus will be enabled from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset camera settings. Again, open camera, click on four dots more option, click on settings, scroll down, click on reset settings, click on reset. After click on reset, camera setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix camera not focusing in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.